Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Models Club. Going to take up the FREEWING YAK 130. Now this one has been discontinued, but they have the green one that's exactly the same, just painted differently. Other than that, it's exact same thing. I was just, something I hadn't noticed before, but this plane has no cheaters underneath. Strictly just the regular scale jet intake. So that's pretty cool. All right, running a 4,000 Coke and 6S with an ADC discharge. And this plane here has one of the best sounds of any of the EDFs out there. Has an absolutely incredible deep throaty sound. Oh, sorry, it's not 80 millimeter, it's 70 millimeter. All right, here we go. We're going to bring her by kind of low and slow. I want you to listen to the sound. So I'm going to hit the gas when she comes by. Huh? You got her? All right, I'm gonna bring her by fast. Full speed, boy, I gotta go in there. She's really oscillating. That AS3X, I need to dial that down. Yeah, she's really overcorrecting. I'll be honest, I might just take that gyroed receiver out and then just go with the straight plane receiver. Whoa, that wind. Kind of windy right now. It's actually very windy. All right, here we go. Yeah, I'm going to go and dial that down. Well, let's just go ahead and end the flight. And I'll dial down that AS3X or go to a different receiver. I'll just dial down the AS3X. Why change it? It's got the forward programming. I should just put on the gains and all. That way I don't have to worry about that. Very great little, just a great little EDF to fly. Really a lot of fun. Honey, I still got a minute and a half. Let's pause for just a second and let me go in there electronically and see if I can't dial that down. So pause. All right, folks, we're going to continue on the flight. I went in there on the forward programming and I enabled my roller to be for my adjustable gains through forward programming. I dialed them gains down. She was just oscillating way too much. Let's see how it does. Oh no, now full speed. Yeah, see? Wings aren't rocking nearly as bad. by one time, make sure my gear's down. Yeah, them wheels, they're not hard, wings aren't hardly rocking at all now. Much better, much better. All right.
30 seconds.
It is still awfully windy though. All right, we're gonna go up one more time.
Flaps up.
I can't leave it like with that kind of landing. Here we go.
Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Be in the grass, but that's okay.
Time expired.
Well, that big old rudder, I tell you what, when you're going crosswind, that big old rudder acts like a great big sail.
Motor off.
All right, we flew for 3 minutes and 22 seconds total
Flaps up.
with an interruption. To show you where I've got the 4,000 Sokoken, basically, as far back as I can get it. I mean, I got maybe an inch, maybe half an inch of clearance. If I had a 5,000, I'd go back all the way, but I'm about maybe half an inch off from the furthest point back, and that's where I made a little wooden shelf to plant my AR-630 right there. Great flying little plane. Does have the chicken wire type gear, but they work reliably and work very well. But nice little plane. The entire surface of the plane all acts as a lifting body, so it makes her very efficient. We didn't check the battery though, did we? We're gonna leave the gear down, or leave the gear up, let her sit her on her belly. Now the nose cone, you glue that on, so you're not gonna be able to take the nose to store it and put it on its nose in the corner if you stand it up. However, you still 44%, so I'm fine. This nose cone has this whole white section is all plastic, so if you wanted to, you could stand that in the corner on its nose if you wanted to. You know what? Let's put the gear back down. Well, anyways, folks, there you go. That is the FREEWING YAK 130. Runs on 70mm fan, runs on 6S power. I recommend a 4,000 to a 5,000, and you'll get a good 3.5 minutes of flight time out of it. Fun plane. Just remember, on crosswind, that big old rudder acts like a sail, so you had to be cognizant of that. Y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, then yaks.